What's up, Chuckles? Here we are again. We're going to go through the common problem that I saw in 8.3 again for this video. On the last video, we finished up with what if our numbers go up from sample to sample? We had our clown, our elixir to make more clowns appear. Now we're going to take a look at what if our sample is, hey, we have too many clowns in these cities, and this will be like sample number one. We take a poll of these cities, and on any given day, here's their like average clown capacity. They have first city has 6. Let's say second 4. We went 2, 1, and then 5 to make this real easy, and then sample 2. So our company, we make clown repellent now. We sprinkle that all over everything. Hopefully it's not toxic. And then we just, we want those clown numbers to go down. So let's say in the first city went down after our we don't want to call it elixir. That's the stuff that makes it grow, clown population grow. We want repellent. So after the clown repellent in this city, it worked really good. Went from 6 to 2. This one only went from 4 to 3. This one did not change at all, so it didn't really work there for that anecdotal evidence. This one actually went up, but then this one, it went down quite a bit after we did the clown repellent. Okay, so the numbers from 1 to 2 overall, we want them to go down. Now here's the problem that you guys were doing with that. If the numbers went down, you guys were writing your null and alternative hypothesis like this and then stating claim. You guys were doing this and then this. Oh my gosh. I'm going off the rails here. And then the claim was this one. Okay. Because what you're saying is, hey, the numbers are going down, so it should be less than, right? No, we're thinking about that wrong. That is not the right way to think about it. Okay? Because what we're doing is that mu sub d is the mean of the differences. So let's take a look at what would happen if we take the differences and we have this third column d for differences. Okay, that's going to be 4, right? That's going to be 1. That's going to be 0. That's going to be -1. We're just subtracting, peeps. Okay, so my differences, if the numbers go down, my differences are actually going to be positive. Okay, we'd be looking for a positive number there. And if I do at the bottom here, if I take the mean of the differences, which would be d bar, let me see if I can do that in my head. That cancels out. So I have 8 over 5, which is like, I don't know, 8 over 5 is like 1.3 something. Maybe my 3s are getting worse and worse. Okay, but it would be a positive number, right? It'd be 1.34. That would be the mean of our differences. So if I had a problem where the company is trying to make numbers go down, let's say that you have there's a problem with high blood pressure, and they make a drug, and the people take the drug, and they expect their high blood pressure to go down, then what we would kind of write it up as is null and alternative hypothesis would be greater than 0. Even though we want those numbers to go down, the mean of the differences would be a positive number. So we would be looking at this, okay? And the reason I did all these videos to kind of bring attention to it is because, if you write your null and alternative hypothesis wrong, then your p-value is going to be skewed on that, okay? You're not going to get the right one when you put it into the calculator. So we're at the end of our time. So if you have any questions with that, I know a couple of people reached out on email. Please email. If we need to do a face-to-face, we can figure that out. I'll be available this week. You just let me know a time as you're working on your assessment. Peace out, and stay safe. Bye-bye.